the size of the heart is the size of the fist. Heart has 4 chambers, and right side of the heart is separated with the left side with the help of septum. This septum helps to prevent the mixing of the oxygenated blood with the deoxygenated blood. The upper chambers of the heart are called atrium. Lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. These atria, they receive the blood and they pump the blood to ventricles. From ventricles, the blood flows to our body part. So from the left ventricle, the blood, oxygenated blood flows to our body parts, all the body parts. So these ventricles, they are supplying the blood to all the body parts. They have thick walls when compared to the walls of the atrium. Atrium, they are just collecting the blood and then they contract and pass the blood to ventricles. But ventricles are passing the blood to all the body parts. So they has very thick walls. And in between the atrium and ventricle, we have walls. These walls are present here to avoid the reverse flow of the blood or backward flow of the blood from ventricles to atria. Here, right side of the atrium and right ventricle, they have tricuspid wall. The wall between the right atrium and left ventricle is called tricuspid wall, and the wall between the left atrium and left ventricle is called bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall is also called mitral wall. What is the use of these walls? These walls, they prevent the backward flow of the blood. To do not allow the blood to flow backward again into the atrium. So this is the heart, muscular organ. It has 4 chambers. Human beings have 4 chambered hearts. Amphibians and reptiles, they have 3 chambered hearts, and fishes have 2 chambered hearts. So what is the use of this septum?
Not to mix.
Septum
Oxygenated blood.
to avoid the mixing of the oxygenated blood with the deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is carried by the arteries. Deoxygenated blood, that means carbon rich blood, is carried by the
veins,
except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Okay, understand?